wanted to go over this 16 directional driver seat. You've got your leg extension. You've got front, back, tilt, up, down. Obviously this would be your back. Then you have your multi-directional lumbar. So this little knob is going to squeeze these in and out. I don't know if you can see them moving. When I was speaking about the sport mode, when you put the vehicle in sport mode, these naturally tighten in on you. That's to, like with everything, you get a tighter steering and a more responsive acceleration, suspension, everything in the car is just tighter because it's trying to give you as much control of the power as it can. So Kia's done a really remarkable job here. So yep, guys, I mean, you can only learn so much from the comfort of your couch or your office chair. You really need to come in and experience it firsthand, because you know, in front of a screen's one thing, and yeah, it looks really cool and it is really cool, but driving it and watching it are two totally different things. So be sure to come in and ask me by name. I'm Brandon. If I'm busy, any of the other salesmen that we have here, we're all Kia certified and know everything there is to know about these cars. We're product specialists and sales and leasing consultants. So I mean, we're here to help you find the right car that fits all of your needs. And even if that means it's not with a Kia, I mean, we'll help you figure that out. So hopefully it is though. We'll see you soon.